Hello everyone, welcome to biology classes. Today we will study about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. What is mean by prokaryote and what is mean by eukaryote? Prokaryote, they are the organisms in which the nuclear material, it is not bounded by a definite nuclear membrane. They are called as prokaryotes. Here pro means first or pro means primitive. In the prokaryotic organisms, the cell which contains the nuclear material, and that nuclear material, it is not surrounded by a definite nuclear membrane. They are called as prokaryotes. Example for prokaryotes: bacteria and blue-green algae. And what is the meaning of eukaryotic cells? The eukaryotes means they are the organisms in which the nucleus has a definite nuclear membrane. For example, in eukaryotic organisms, all the plants and all the animals, they are the examples. In the eukaryotic organisms, inside the cell, the nucleus is present, and that nucleus is surrounded by a proper and definite nuclear membrane. That's why they are called as eukaryotes. Eukaryotes, here eu means true and karyon means nucleus. That means eukaryotes, they have the true nucleus. The prokaryotes and eukaryotes, they differ in many ways. There are many differences we find in prokaryotes and as well as in eukaryotes. We will see those differences one by one. The first is nuclear membrane. Inside the cell, in the central place, the nucleus is present, and that nucleus is surrounded by a membrane-like structure. That membrane is called as nuclear membrane. In prokaryotic cells, there is absence of nuclear membrane. That means the prokaryotic organisms, for example, the blue-green algae, they lack the nuclear membrane, and the bacteria, they also examples of prokaryotic organisms. Whereas in eukaryotic organisms, the cells have definite nuclear membrane. That means the nucleus of the eukaryotic organisms surrounded by a proper definite two nuclear membrane. They have the true nucleus. And second point is the chromosomes. In prokaryotes, the genetic material consists of nucleic acid, DNA. The DNA, which is circular and lies in a tangled mass, that is called as nucleoid. Whereas in eukaryotes, the nucleic acid DNA is associated with proteins to form a definite bodies, and those are called as chromosomes. In prokaryotic cells, the genetic material which contains DNA, but that DNA, it is circular, and that DNA is present in a tangled mass. Whereas in eukaryotic organisms, the nucleic acid DNA, which is associated with the proteins, and that forms on definite bodies, and those bodies are called as chromosomes. Thank you everyone. I hope everyone understands this topic. Thank you.